Okay. I should have maybe jumped in the pool. I made the fatal mistake of calling my mother. Love her to bits, but oh my goodness. That was a very long conversation. You little son of a... That was unnecessary. Okie dokie, there's one. Done. I have time to do things this afternoon. Thank heavens. I have time to do things this afternoon. I just have to remind myself that. I'm going, oh my goodness, I don't have enough time to do things. But I do. I have the most annoying song stuck in my head, and it's been stuck in my head since this morning, and it is actually driving me crazy. I think this is how I die. Having this song stuck in my head. I cannot stop. I'm really actually gonna go mental. But moving on. Sorry. Very random information for no reason. But it is, it's not okay. Anyways, welcome. Let's get this afternoon apartheid started, people. Here we go. One thing after another. Got it. Cool. Last thing. Done and done. Okay, I've marked out the London high. This is now kind of officially the London low. Let's see, it took out Asia high. No, Asia low, I lie. It took out Asia low. I expected it to go back up for the Asia high. Only true trader! What up? How you doing? How's it going? I see there's news. Is it big news? What's this news happening? What time is this? At 10. Do you know only true trader anything massive? Not really. Should I be concerned about it? Maybe that's the next question. Oh, is it very big news? Okay, so I'm gonna be sitting on my hands until that news is what I'm hearing. No touchy. What is it? Oh, damn. That sounds about right. Like, I don't even know why I'm saying oh damn like that. That sounds about right. It's huge news. Okay. What happened? Is that what happened at the spike at 5:39 a.m.? Was this a tweet from the orange Teletubby, or what happened? Also, hi Rip, how are you? Ricky, some people say they've never heard news so big before. Frankly, a lot of people say, oh. Okay, well, let's... Okay, in that case, I'm definitely then going to be sitting on my hands, because that could be disastrous to potentially be in a trade for that. No thanks. Oh. Got it, Ricky. Got it. Sorry, I'm South African. I just hear that there's drama going on and I go, sounds about right. Fights to the death. Interesting name. Did I make a lot of money? When? Hey, Boom, what's up? So let's start. I'm a bit moody. Oh no, Rip, what happened? What happened? What happened? I'm a little bit scared. when Rip is moody, I get a little bit nervous. Are you good? Smashed. I gave for him. Cool. Hey Raj, how you doing? I see one of my biases, just fair value gaps and swing highs. Look at how the fair value gap held for shorts. Yeah, it really did. It was here. It was at this London high. This is the level that I drew out, remember? And it's still going lower and lower and lower. And I see here it went into this fair value gap and bounced back up slightly. So I do understand it. Like I said, so there was a time, not that long ago actually, where my whole setup was order block. It was literally just an order block rejection. One-to-one order block rejection. But unfortunately one-to-one and the win rate wasn't good enough. So it is what it is. Hey David G, I'm good and you? How are you? Go have fun. Hey yo, welcome, welcome. How are you? Has anyone had any trades? Only true trader, have you traded pre-market or pre-post? Pre-market. Anyways, and how was it? Waking me up, doesn't even acknowledge my commitment. I'm sorry, David. I'm sorry. Why are you awake? Let's start with that question. Because maybe I should not be condoning this type of behavior. Maybe you need sleep, David. Did you ever think about that? Maybe I'm being the best streamer ever because I'm thinking about your well-being. That was a little bit gaslighting. I'm so sorry. Moving on. I don't really care about shorts for now. Remember, first 15 minutes or 50% has a high probability. Okay. Rip, when you like this, I'm a little bit scared. Are you okay? Okay, but let's make our rip levels. It's 25672. Rip levels. 7275. Mother fluffer. There we go. Okay, there's one rip level. Noted. The other one. 25694. I'm sorry, did I read that? Oh, 694. I'm sorry. And those are your main two levels? Info. Close enough. Okay, but we got our rip levels, so that's cool. Rip levels noted. Got our bob levels up. We are so ready to do this. I say that a little bit cocky-like. Let's not get too arrogant so early in the morning. David G? Oh, thank you. I'm glad everything's good there. Okay, cool. Noted. Your 2-year-old just went to sleep. Damn, David, that's being a parent sounds rough, not gonna lie. Hey Jared, what's up? How are you? David G, you're so sweet, thank you. Also, you don't worry about any trade, only after 10. I agree. I even said I'm gonna have to sit on my hands until the big news. See, I am learning. I am learning. Maybe sometimes I'm slow, but I'm learning. Yo. Okay, moving on. Does this work? I have dropshipping company and I'm interested to this, but have no idea. Well, it depends. Are you looking at day trading, investing? Unfortunately, this is not investing. This is not the place to come to with investing ideas. I mean, it could be. There are some investors in the chat. But this is more day trading. Am I playing COD? No, Stevie, I'm not. David, that's like saying, I'm not drunk, I'm just talking in cursive. But anyways... David G, did you have any trades earlier? Hey Tyson, what's up? How you doing, by the way? I am gonna have to sit on my hands until this news. Especially if it's as big as everyone says it is. It's then gonna be very entertaining. Let's see what it brings. Not in any trades yet. Oh, nice. Is this a funded account? I'm gonna get this TTTT real. I'm on an eval account. Wisdom is chasing you, but you escape every time. Wow, I have some things like that, and now I've forgotten them. Naturally, because we're talking about being dumb. But anyways, it was essentially, you're not the dumbest person in the world, but you better hope they don't die. Along those lines. David G, you're learning here with you and company. Amazing, David G. This is definitely the best place for that. Learn lessons together. Jared, how was your weekend? I see you're still playing this trading game. Hell yeah, Jared. The weekend, how was the weekend? It was actually chilled. Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. It wasn't as busy as the previous weekend. I'm not gonna say I got lots done, but it was fine. How was your weekend, Jared? Anything interesting happen? Wow. Wow. Just wow. I don't like this David and Rip together shenanigans that happens here. You guys are dangerous together. Just saying. Definitely dangerous together. Hey Ma, what's up? You're in a foxhole. No, it's a bromance. There's a difference. Bromances are real. You don't want to mess with bromances. Those are terrifying. I see David didn't like that. Well, do I know anime? Oh, of course I know anime. I would say who doesn't know anime, but to be fair, I used to not be into anime. Hey Bubsy, what's up? Only true trader, you doubt you're gonna get it. I mean, you've already had a trade today. Only true trader, just saying. So don't say that. You've already had your trade. Good morning, you're long 600 to 692. Bubsy, damn. So you're from 600. Let me find. Where's your stop loss at, Bubsy? Oh, okay, so you're waiting for it to take that high. Interesting. Oh, here we go. Okay, New York Open. Okay. Okay then. Hello, New York. Haha, ha. This volatility is not okay. True, let me not be greedy. Only true trader, don't worry, listen, I'm also kinda like I have to get a trade in, and then I was like, why? Why do I have to get a trade in? No. ES and MQ are not MNQ, but rather NQ. I'm not in sync again. At all. Oh, wait, maybe it's gonna catch up now. Nope. Wow. Okie dokie. Please tell me you're a fan of Naruto. I have actually not watched Naruto. I'm so sorry. I'll put it on my list. I have a list of things to watch. Solo Leveling is one of them. Bobsy, you was it hit? I'm so sorry. Oh. Hey! GD mining. What's up? Second chat, same thing, by the way. Note range, thank you. Sorry. Damn, Rip's scary when he's in a bad mood. Let's not mess with our teacher. Okay, closed. Oh, there is just so much chaos going on around here, but pointers open has been noted. Range has been drawn out. Closing below the range. Hey, Stock Jordan, how are you? Mr. K, what's up? Welcome back. Hey, house. Hope you guys were holding deep blues. Now what market looks, where was it one of your picks? Oh, this is MNQ. So this is the NASDAQ futures, but the micro is to be more specific. Yep. GD mining to all the other South Africans that are in the chat. Okay, New York low now taken. Awesome, awesome. GD mining, I can't tell if your caps lock is on or off, or if you're just like yelling. Stock Jordan, will I be live all day? Not all day. I'm live until like around 11:30 a.m. EST time. So I'm on for like 2 hours or so. So I'm down 5k. Oh no, Bubsy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. All part of the trading game, right? Bad to say game, but you know. This is, yeah, like I said, I'm sitting on my hands. Maybe I'm gonna miss 1 or 2 trades. Ugh, but it is what it is. Let's not risk it before news at 10, especially if it is as massive as everyone says it's gonna be. Makes me a wee bit nervous. GD mining, are you good? Sorry, Rip. Oh my goodness. I need to like let me put my focus on, or else Rip is gonna start yelling at me solidly. I'm so sorry. I know you're not actually yelling, but it feels like you are. Damn. Okay. I'm gonna sit down, shut up, let's behave. Let's watch. Okay, so it did kind of respect the first present fit value gap. Is it gonna continue? Again, I'm not loving how ES and NQ are not lining up at all. Previous day low taken, yep. Yesterday's New York low was taken. Inhaled steam, what's up? Breakout. Fading strength, first focus ball flush under 682. Go have fun and get it right. I know! I'm so sorry. I feel really bad. I'm learning. Okay. I need to focus. Focus. Do you guys know what focus stands for? So Jordan, you think hopefully we'll go down to 25484. I don't know, a lot of people are hoping it goes up today. What does she want that inverted and get above 930? Yep. Close this gap, close above, correct? And then respect the fair value gap going up. It is kind of sitting on it now. Oh, this is why we sit on our hands until major news. 619 will make me 22k. We're at yesterday's low. Wait, but Bobsy, aren't you out? I thought you were out. Or are you not out? I'm a little bit confused now. So I use VWAP as one of my confluences, but it's not my strategy, if that's what you're asking. Inhaled steam. Bobsy, I think it goes up and down. I mean, yeah. And it needs to rush because of time. I mean, go have fun, won't it? I mean, go have fun, I'm so sorry. Not go have fun. Rip. Do you want it? Don't you only want it to go above around 10? Shouldn't we be kind of expecting a little bit more of range to be happening before then? No, not really. Wrong? Correct. Okay. What if something really good presents itself? Like this. 4 news. It's still volatile and it's still kind of... Where can you get a drink complaint? The monkey bars. Ah, Skeletor. Skeletor? That was good. Once it hits support, it will start selling. Oh, okay, cool. I see we have a 50-50 divide. See if we get above 930. If it starts ranging, wait to trade after 10. Okay, cool. I mean, it's going. There we go. This might be it. Rep, have you entered? Are you in a trade? Or are you also kind of waiting to see what we do now? Are we gonna stay ranging? We're gonna... I want to say jump out, but that sounds bad. Hey admin, what's up? Kieran? Hi, how are you? Hey, Ludo, what's up? When you're at the low, you buy. Now I'm up 10k. Whoop whoop, Bobsy, that's amazing. This might not come back down where I want it to come back down. This might just continue climbing. Up, up, and away. Potentially a bounce off of VWAP, let's see. Hi. Fucking premium mentorship right there, huh? partial at 25% of the gap. Rip, where did you enter? Now the next step is the entries, but I guess I'm not there yet, hey? I guess I'm not at that level of lucky duckness just yet. Oh my gosh. I could still place a trade for that level, but I'm not loving the volatility right now. Wow, just wow. I mean, that definitely bounced off a VWAP. Not gonna deny that one. That was a solid bounce off a VWAP. Wow. Cool. Ah, Skeletor? Shoot, maybe I should have placed my trade. That's why you pay the duck. 100%. I love it. Just made 1,222. Damn, stock? Where did you enter? Thanks, David. Rejection of the 400 MA. RL, TRL, complete, man. I should start swing trading. I mean, only to a trader, why don't you? Out of curiosity. Three more minutes to hit first level. If it doesn't happen, I lose interest. And then do you find new levels or just meh? I averaged in from 25,600. Oh damn, you too. Awesome. Bobsy also around that level, right Bobsy? Around the 25,600 level. I actually don't know, never thought about it, but I think I should start. I mean, only to trader, why not? If it works. And if it makes sense to you. Might be less stressful, I actually don't know. That's a proper set it and forget it type of situation, right? Oh, guys, okay, David's yelling. He says, please don't forget to press the like button. Can I wait for the news to do its thing? I mark the low and high of the previous day, buy the low, sell near the high. Okay. And does that work for every single day, Bobsy? In fact, I would have entered from the London high and my TP would be hit now. I mean, yeah, I don't know much about swing trading, obviously. How does it work? Do you just take out more partials, or is it a proper, you set it and forget it and you walk away and either TP's hit or not? I don't actually know. What's the best way to do that setup? Top traders, what's up? I trade the Nasdaq futures every single day, but obviously you just, if it takes the high, you wait for the low, vice versa. I mean, only to a trader, you could always just start with like one contract and see what happens. And then if it starts to work, then you add another one, or... Stock moved at break even below the 930 range. Took some from it, so quack it. Nice. Part of me still wants to take it, but that's a bit close to news. Maybe it was a mistake to not take it, but quack it, right? Then, yeah, only true trader, why not? How tight would you make your stop loss, though? You need to break and follow the money trend. Okay, damn, Jordan. I'm in 15 contracts. Damn, I'm so happy I just got a profit of $1. Rowdy Rider. Whoop whoop. Green is green. Who cares? Had that before. And again, I stick by green is green, so it's fine. Hey, Thomas! How you doing? Kids fishing. Hey, kids fishing. How you doing? Hey, Dom. Let's go long now. Hey, Tamid. Thomas, just chilling? Yeah, have you gotten your trades in already and you're done for the day? Or are you waiting for news? What's your plan? Tamid, it's a little bit... Well, I mean, it started volatile. Now it's kind of choppy. I think it's waiting for news. That's happening at 10. Apparently it's big news, which is why I'm kind of doing hands off until then. Let's wait and see what it brings. Is it bad that I still want to enter along here? But it is hands off until news. I feel like it'll be way too risky to try and get in on this before news, so... Sorry, that's more me talking myself out of doing something potentially really, really stupid. Hey, Annie, what's up? Oops. Pressed the wrong things. Rowdy Rider, I'll do it again. Wow, Rowdy Rider, I am so keen to see you do it again. Ooh, tapped into first presented. I'm waiting to see how it responds off of it. We're back into the 930 range. Better's waiting for news. Yep, dumb. Oh, that one. Got it. So, but then are you done for the day, Thomas? Your Christmas tree one. Yes. Let's see. I mean, how are the trades going? Yes. Gosh, we missed my stop by 0.25. Damn, Rips, are you still in this? I feel like I had like a slur today. I don't know why. It's been a long day. And it's been hot as hell, guys. 650 entry. I'm sorry, did you say 650 entry? TP is 740. And your stop loss? Because then I'm assuming you're in this. Did it tag you in? Oh, there it goes. Well, no, let's not jump to conclude. Oh, damn, no, it's going on a yes. Still stuck in range on NQ though. Wow. This is literally going sideways. ES is nice. Who's trading ES? ES looks awesome. Damn, you have a big stop. What? Dude, wait. Now I'm confused. Has it tagged you in already, Don? Did it tag you in here, or have you only set it now? Bang, to be honest. It did drop like 100 more points after I TP'd. Thomas! Leave a runner. Just try it. Just once. Just one. Right? Why not? If I had to take a trade now, I'll be bullish external range looking for higher PA. Like I said, I really like this trade, but being the keyword here. We're getting closer and closer to news, and there's nothing stopping it from having a little freak out before continuing up, or it just does the opposite of what everyone thinks it's going to do, and it's just going to drop down. You know, I guess rather safe than sorry, hands off until after news and then start looking, because it is definitely going sideways right now. And that's not fun. Intro 256. Okay. I like them with a bit more personality. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. This is like so... Yeah. Personality of a... I wanted to say a crab. I don't know why I'm being mean about poor crabs. They've done nothing wrong. They're cute. You go get him, Rip. I was about to do something, then I saw Rip had already sorted it out. No, he's still carrying on. There we go. Rip. That is so mean. But yes. Ooper duper moody. Careful. Which means you have to be cautious. Or else she could bite your head off. Hey, Hiru. Theoretically aren't all things very old, you know. Aren't all the concepts, but they've just evolved, I guess, a little bit. How many people are in a trade right now? I do want to be in this so badly, but I know it's probably a really bad idea. 5 minutes to go till news. Okay. This would have been such a nice setup if it weren't for stupid news. And obviously the price action just being... No, she doesn't. She'll protect me if I'm on the wrong side. She'll remove me from the game. I mean, that's pretty valid. That's one way of looking at it. How much you, not even 1 year. I've only been trading since April. If you want to talk about old 5-50-minute orb strat has been around since. Oh, are you serious? Interesting. I know, Rip. I know. Bad idea. Don't do it. Sit on your hands. I think it's just the FOMO because this looks like it could be amazing. Here we go. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Thanks. Thanks, George. I know. I'm trying. I am. A little bit of FOMO, which is also bad. No FOMO. Don't let FOMO win. Thomas, I didn't realize it's been around since the 40s, 50s. That's actually pretty hectic. Prosecco, hi. What's up? How you doing? And we have 4 minutes to go. Dun dun dun. We look like we're starting to go up. That's something. Nope. Never mind. Back to being moody. It'll feel so good if you're right, but if you're wrong, it'll hurt so bad. Yeah. I know. I know. I know. I think I'll like want to bang my head against a wall more if I go in and it's dumb. Than I would for missing something that could be a really dumb trade. So I get it. I know. I know you guys are right. It does just sometimes suck watching things work out perfectly. You know what? I cannot complain. How long have you been trading for? Hey, let's. I feel like I need to do this. Let's see if this works. Oop, no, I did the wrong thing. Hey, whoopsies. Damn, Prosecco, and how's it going? Dom, you think pump? I sits and I waits. We have 2 minutes to go, guys. 2 minutes. I know there's a lot of noise going on my charts. On my charts right now. Goodness gracious. Wow. Prosecco, I mean, I've only been trading since April, so a little bit longer than you. I've been blowing accounts. Damn, I'm sorry. Do you use a prop firm or what's your thing? Stock Jordan, you've been going for two years. That's not very long. Like it is, but it isn't. But it is, but it isn't. I'm assuming profitable, and how's it going? Livingstone, Malanga, what's up? And Kid Fishing, you think down to the low? You use Xmas. Where are you from? Bobsy, good trades take time. I mean, you're not wrong. Did you buy and hold 3 months ago? Like I repeatedly told you, no. Caution bag, why? What's it doing? I do. I do use prop firms, and same. I'm also South African. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. 1 minute to go. Let's do this. Okay, it's time. For such big news, I kind of expect a little bit more. I know it hasn't ended yet, but okay. No, what has it done? Bobsy, 9 years. 9 years, wow. And Bobsy, is this what you do for a living? Rip, honestly. I heard it was huge news. I was waiting for some massive movements. This sucks, man. Oh, I'm KZN, Resejo. But yes, I use prop firms. I'm actually... I mean, if you want... There we go. You can even use my affiliate code to get some discounts. Hey, it's Kay, what's up? Four, two, three. Rip, you lied. Did you really lie? I legit believed you. I thought it was a big thing. Wow. Wow, I'm a little bit disappointed. Can't believe you lied. Recycle, I mean, what is it that you are looking for? Should put all your money into MasterCard stock right now. In 5 years, you'll be very wealthy. Gosh, bag, is that a thing? Yeah, but I don't... Rip, I trusted you. And you lied to me. It's my turn to be upset with you. Sorry, I have to drink so much water. Today has been... uncomfortably hot. I don't know how else to explain the weather today. It is that uncomfortable heat where it's so humid that you feel sticky and gross, and I hate that feeling. Here we go. So, would have been a win. Cool. Damn, okay, ES is going. It could have been a loss. It could have very easily been a loss as well. Sorry, I need to just remind myself about that. Could have very easily been a loss as well, so it's fine. It is what it is. Keep fishing, you wishes. Need to trader break even? Yes. No, gosh, Meg, I know that. We know how this ends up, and that's with you saying sorry to me eventually. I'm a manipulator. Wow, at least you are self-aware. You like day trading? Well, I mean, right now I'm currently using top 1 futures. I've had no complaints. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. To be specific, I'm trading the MNQ, so the micros, just so that I don't blow through capital. Especially because I am still new. You know, let's not push all the boundaries and limits. Oh, okay, I'm a little bit sad now, but I guess it is what it is. Back into range. Hey, Raphael, what's up? No, gosh, I'm back. So I don't do investing. Hey, Dom. Dom, has it hit your TP? If we get multiple candles closing above the 664, I'm going long, but this could be a fake out. I don't know about that. Range too short, likely to sweep. Oh, I was looking at that, don't worry. I was looking rather at this range. Right? I'm actually just waiting for some confirmation. Can we get some proper movement going in a direction now? And hopefully it's not just a fake out. Seen the siren trying to run. Hey Bob, what's up? How you doing? Aw, Bobsy, no! I'm so sorry. But I mean, whoop whoop. Well done. For the win. A win's a win. We still haven't very structured to the upside yet, so I'm still patient. Hey Jordan, what's up? How you doing? Jim, boring, what is? The chart, yeah. 15, I mean, Bobsy, that's amazing. Well done. 15k is nothing to be upset about, damn. I'm assuming you're on a funded account. Or live account. Calvin, what's up? Hey Luke, what's up? I don't know why I'm saying what's up a lot, but anyways. It's fine. It is what it is. Maybe today is just not my day, and that's fine as well. Not every day has to be my day. Jordan, I'm just peachy. Thanks for asking. I could listen to you talk all day. Thank you. Thanks, Jordan. Where are you from? I'm in the same boat. I had a long setup I would love to take, but because of the 10 a.m. news, I would have taken a partial and be break even now. Yep. But it was actually nearly a picture perfect setup. I mean, obviously the only not so picture perfect was the fact that I've messed around here, but to be fair, the picture perfect setup, oh, I drew that wrong, wait, there we go. The picture perfect setup would be entry at the first presented at this wick here. Can you imagine? That would have been a goodie. But anyways, still picture perfect down and then straight up to TP. Once TP's taken, starts messing around again. Oh well, so at least only 2 traders feeling my pain with me, right? Actually, we are in this together. We can High School Musical this. See, I don't have a southern accent. Oh, nice. Only True Trader. It had so many good things going. It actually had all the good things going. This is the trade that I've missed in the past, and I said I'm not going to do it again. The only reason, like I said, I didn't take it was because of the stupid news. And it didn't even do anything. So yes, I'm salty, but it's fine. Is it fine? No, it's fine. Okay, I've had my moment. Now I'm done. Done, not yet. You're waiting for second impulse. Nice. Well, I mean, Jordan, I am South African. Just saying. Tensions, what's up? And House, welcome. House, did you get a trade in? You'll get it, I believe in you. Thanks, Jordan, I appreciate it. Doc Jordan, no reaction. To what? Oh, just the chart in general, no reaction, got it. Hey Mark, how you doing? Now it wants to go lower, it needs to be accepted by the 930 range. But it didn't hit the rip levels. Now I don't like it. Oh, the rip level's now invalid because it took too long. Where's your accent from? I'm waiting to say England, but oh no, Jordan, yeah, I'm South African. Hey, Wade, how you doing? Wade, I don't think you posted anything with regards to your concert, which makes me sad. I'm waiting on that in Discord. I'm just saying. Just saying. Go have fun. Thanks. Have you had anything? Yeah, still holding my sell order. Oh damn, House. Okay. Hey Leon. Hey Calvin. What's up? would say full range, but I probably wouldn't have done full range, but full range potentially. Range. Sitting on it now. Let's wait for confirmation. Let me also double check the higher time frames. Yes, I am a little bit salty. It is what it is. Okay, higher time frame. Oh, yeah, okay. It still hasn't taken anything major interest, so buy side is still looking pretty decent. Like you said, it took yesterday's low as well. So this is why everyone loves that 692 level, because of this high. One hour. Okay. Sorry, the cogs are turning, don't mind me. Okay, back to the 1 minute, let's see. We now sit and we wait. Let's wait for confirmation. This happens in the first 15 to 30 minutes. They still have a very high probability to be hit till day close. Okay, cool. Oh, thanks, Jordan. You're so sweet. I don't think I have anything from this concert yet, but I'll send that. Thanks, Wade. What's my country? South African? Took too long? Okay, but still likely to be hit. Awesome. It's Manatee. What up? Silver has about a 3% range today. Okay, so they are time and price based. Got it. Calvin, you good? Just trying to catch up? What you trying to catch up on? Just everything. The chaos. Welcome to the chaos. Always chaos. Hello everyone that's new. Sorry if I have missed anyone that said hi and I have not said hi back. I would say I'm trying to focus, but it's not doing anything super amazing right now for me to be focusing on, so I guess it is what it is. Is it Kirill Petrov? You're thinking it looks like a Head and Shoulders? No, also just price-based levels. The majority when you level are just price-based. Oh, yeah. No, that's true. And the price base is that it's on the 15-minute high, right? You happen to come to America and come through and see a good old-fashioned Southern cooked home meal. Jordan, that sounds amazing. And Jordy's not here to tell me to not do that because I might get kidnapped. So Jordan, that sounds awesome. And I'm super hungry right now, so if you can send some over right now. I know it'll probably be cold and not so nice when it arrives here, but I'm so keen. Going to $16 since silver's been up to 5 for about 7 years. Damn, 7 years now, gold and silver, that's hectic. You know some SA people from your past. Nice, Mr. Official C, and the audacity of some people. I know, don't worry, Jordan, you get used to it. Yep, but I've just entered here. Oh, no, oh, okay. Think of it this way. Being a time and price level, that is huge potential because you know when it needs to be hit. Okay, no, that makes sense. That makes sense. And like you said, then it's higher probability. And it stops the potential messing around, dipping far down before hitting that level. Because, I mean, I could draw lines anywhere, and it could potentially be hit eventually. And say, look, it hit my level, but it depends on how quickly it goes to that level that determines if it was actually good. Okay, no, that makes sense. Sorry, I had to say that out loud, sorry. Hey, Jules! Jules, that is amazing. I had an awesome setup, but I was a little bit nervous for the 10 a.m. news. So I didn't take it. It would have been a win, but it is what it is. Mr. Official C, how long have I been trading? So I've only been trading since April. So for everyone that's new, welcome. I'm still a new trader, which is why it's Teach Maya Trading and not Maya Teach Trading. No, definitely not there yet. So my strategy, it's my own little GAN box. Some people love it, some people hate it. A lot of people hate it, but it is what it is. It currently has a 64% win rate, so that's awesome. But yeah, you can say I'm more at a break-even level now, which is, it's good. I'm no longer blowing eval accounts. Yay. Obviously I want to become profitable, so I need to start getting a little bit better. But I am still new. I've only been trading since April. This is essentially a very open and honest channel with regards to everything. So for those asking, no, I'm not profitable yet. I'm on the way to passing an eval. Well, that's the hope eventually. Sometimes it feels like 3 steps forward, 2 steps back, but here we are. And the time's not met. It's still a high probability level, but only because of the price he is at. I mean, that makes sense. I just confused the quack out of the chat, probably. I mean, rip, yes. Mr. Official C, have you traded? Not really. Are you new to trading? Some gravy, scrambled eggs and bacon. Shall I keep going? That's mean. That is so mean. People are horrible. I say the worst things about humanity is the humans. Oh, I'm a Mr. Official C. When you're right, you're right. Hey, Riseko, welcome back. I can see I like you. Really, Jules? I appreciate that. I mean, it needs some work. My setup needs some work, but it could potentially be a really awesome one. Yeah. Aw, but that's okay, Wade. Thanks for sending some stuff. I appreciate it. How does the current chart look in other intervals? Are you asking for higher time frames? Is that essentially what you're asking for? Let me do this and let's show you. So basically going sideways on the 1 minute. 5 minutes looks like so. $15 minutes. It took out yesterday's low. The 1 hour, sorry, I'm saying a lot. See, to me again, this kind of looks like it's a very big correction before another impulse to the buy side, but I could be very, very wrong. And let's have a look at the 4 hour. Like I said, I'm still new. I get things wrong often. But every time you get something wrong, you learn a lesson, so that's cool. Never a loss, always a lesson learned. Sorry I haven't responded to a lot of people. I will read now. But yeah, here's the 4 hour as well. Gives everyone an idea of what we are looking at on the MNQ today. Okay. back to the 1 minute. Oopsie daisies. And all the chaos can come back. It's now just sitting on VWAP and chilling, so that's fun. Okay. Oh, 10, I didn't mark up the 10 low. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Trouble. Did you say the 10 AM low? Or the opening or closing? Bob. Yeah. Riseko, what's the strategy I use? So I use, it's super basic and super simple, but sometimes I guess the simple ones work. I mean, look at the orb. That's pretty basic. Right? Very basic theory to it. Obviously there's a little bit more that goes into it, but to give you an idea, this one would have been a winning trade, would have been awesome. It was actually my ideal setup. And I've been waiting for the setup, but unfortunately the news was at 10. So I was waiting for that. Oh well, it is what it is. Literally, GAN box, bottom of the range, top of the range. Market option theory, 50% entry. So you see, would have tagged in here, would have messed around a little bit. But I had quite a few confluences. Main one being the first presented fair value gap. You can see how it tapped in here and respected it beautifully. Anyways, yeah, it's a 1 to 2 hour trade. Again, like I said, I'm being very quick and vague about it, but essentially 0.5 is the entry, the 0.2 is where my stop loss would be, and the 1.1 is where TP is at. As you can see, it literally would have just gone straight up to hit TP. Eventually, after messing around for a while. Sorry, that was a very quick, brief overview. Moving on. I want... I made after liquidity sweep. What are the different tradable setups that do? How does the current move stop at the 10 low? Oh, rip. So okay, so the 10 low is where your stop's at right now. Okay. Perfect university, let's make Maya money. Thanks, you're so sweet. I appreciate that. I mean, like I said, guys, yeah, let's just join this amazing community. Oh, for those of you that are new, sorry, I think there's quite a few new people. For those of you that are new, give me a second. Here we go. Link. Ta-da! If anyone wants to join. And back to focusing, because now... Here we go. Might start popping up now. Between break of structure and liquidity sweep. Ahmed, are you asking me these things? Dom, let's start. Dom, you think it's gonna go up now? Okay, no more stoppers and profit to partial, so I can do what it wants. Ah, that's bad. Volume, thank you, waiting on this chop is scary, right? Okay. I apologize. I feel like I've missed a few messages, so I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna kind of start from where I'm at right now. Sorry. From RIP being mean to only to trade and saying boo with regards to the chop being scary. I saw that. Anyways. Hey, Hobo, that is hi. Interesting name. What up? How you doing? Hey, Jules, thanks. She just broke out and back above opening range. AM station joining the FMC is always this annoying. Whoever isn't along right now, geez, yep. Multiple compliments for buy from a volume profile point of view. Interesting, Project Freedom. Okay. Like I said, I was looking at potentially this. Nope, not that. Okay, I'll fix that now. But oh my goodness, look how close that would have been to my stop loss. Maybe that one? Oh, who knows, but... this price action kind of sucks. But what we think tomorrow it's gonna potentially, hopefully wake up. I'm getting comfy. Oh, I've been trying to learn day trading for a few months, but I have a hard time staying focused. I mean, that's valid. It is not super easy. True breaks 654. We'll see a pump. I'm gonna leave my scroll there for now. My scroll. Okay, moving on. So no trade here. Interesting. Oh! Okay, listen, Rip, I was thinking that earlier, and I wanted to draw something, and I was like, that's a bad idea, and Geordie's gonna get up. But Geordie is not here now, is it? Bob, I missed your message. Maya, for the short time you've been trading, you're doing exceptionally well. Keep on the good work, mastering discipline. Bob, that really means a lot. It really, really means a lot. You're gonna make me tear up a little bit. It's, yeah. Platinum player in South Africa, it's been the middle of the day. Yeah, I don't need sleep. Trading hours for South Africans is during the day. It's amazing. So it's literally nearly 5:30 in the afternoon. London session is 10 AM in the morning for me, so that's awesome. Another beautiful rejection off the top of the range. So, Jordan, what are you waiting for? We can do whatever we want when Geordie's not here. Don't tell Geordie. What the... Where would you draw it from? The bottom here? Not so much. More around here, hey. Sorry, obviously I'm not so good with trend lines. I don't really use them. Butchered that, there we go. Anyways, however, the idea is if it breaks below, it's gonna go, oh, wait, it broke above. Let's see if it closes above properly. The market knows people are eager to buy this and go higher. Oh, thanks, Platinum Player, you're very sweet. Yeah, we have great hours to work with. Honestly, Jules, it's awesome. Jules, how long do you stay on the charts for, out of curiosity? Price action is ass right now. Thomas? Honestly, this is not so much fun. And ES is dropping. I don't like how ES and MQ are very, very different. NQ, not MQ. I mean, it's closed above Project Freedom. Are you gonna get an entry? Geordie, guys, seriously, you say someone's names long enough and they appear. No one tell Geordie what we were talking about. Anyways, moving on. Geordie, how are you feeling? I don't trade, I save. Platinum player? No valid trend line. Hey Monster Mom, how you doing? Also, I want everyone's opinion on trend lines. Is it support or resistance or liquidity? 3, 2, 1, fight. Thomas? That's brilliant. Cheers, Platinum player, enjoy. Did respect my stop at 64. Me charts are closed and it feels so different. Does it feel weird? Do you feel like you're having an out-of-body experience, Geordie? Geordie, do all traders have sleep problems? It kind of sounds like it, Geordie. I swear it's a thing. We'll start pumping on the re-break. It's just all chopped now, yep. But can he? He doesn't know. He's made no comment about it yet. I'm waiting for it. But there's been no comment about it yet, Rip. So just... He's sick, he's groggy, he doesn't see anything. Trax, you think I need to trade gold? I had a look at gold. Yeah. I'm doing good. Day was pretty nice. Meet some nice people and talked a lot. Now I trade big amounts and I'm 10% in profit at the moment. Damn, Monster Mom, look at you go. Hey, Cyrus, do I teach? No, sorry. Closed full in profit. Idea invalidated. Oh, sorry. How's the market? What's that range like from 9:30 to 9? So, Geordie, I had the perfect setup. You can ask everyone. I wanted to take it so badly. The only reason I didn't was because of this 10 a.m. news. I was expecting some big things, so naturally nothing happened. Anyways, it was the perfect setup, Geordie. Look at this. Look at this rubbish. First presented fair value gap in the range. What else was there? Obviously some other fair value gaps, and we were pushing to the buy side. VWAP was a little bit higher back then. We had some rip levels up above. You know, everything was just a perfect trade. It did enter in, mess around, but it went up to take TP. And I just didn't take it because of the news. Me and only two trader missed such a nice setup because of the stupid news at 10. Oh well. Took a partial near the high, maybe the level I gave. Oh, okay. Week, sometimes what I'm doing. Ziggy, what's my best trade ever? Ooh, what is my best trade ever? To be fair, that trade I had on, was it Friday? It was. Friday's trade was really, whoopsie daisies, was really good. It's not even that I made a lot, it was just such a spot on trade. I thought that was awesome. There's some big sell orders at level 2 data. Fresh and it, what up? How you doing? I'm always the one saying that, but damn, it's actually nice and long. I missed gold entry because of news. Oh, okay, Raj, so it's not just us having a little bit of a sulk about it, that's fine. Fantastic, been up for like 3 to 4 hours. Not worth the risk for me, so calling it a day here. Volume overall low, although we do still have some big orders on the level 2 feed. I know I say this every single time, but I'm going to try being a little bit strict with this. I'm going to give it until like 11 a.m. EST time, so it has like 30, 25, 24 minutes. It has 24 minutes to decide what it's going to do. If it's going to just stay rangy and choppy like this, I might call it a little bit early. I know that's weird for me, but it's also a bit risky to try trade whatever the hell this is right now. This just sucks. That's all this is. I can be honest, like someone like me want to start trading in futures or swing, whatever. Who do I follow in the social platforms? Earning is possible. Basil, I have like 2 videos up. I don't know if they'll be very helpful for you though. In all honesty, I'm considering making a little small something for beginner traders, like where I was in April. Not knowing anything, not even knowing what a candle is. Do you know what a candle is, Faisal? Is it Faisal? Sorry, that New York time. Oh, that's okay. All them weirdos have come out today. Where did David go? David. I think David fell asleep. My world was perfect for 10 minutes until I saw that monstrosity. Is this normal now? Should I just let this go? Are we using trendies now? Damn it. Okay, listen. It took him a while to notice it. I'm just saying. Jordy, literally before you hopped on, I said, Jordy's not here. We could do this quickly. Let's see what happens. And then you hopped on. That is hilarious. Can I just say, I'm sorry, Rip, I'm throwing you under the bus here. If I'm going down, you're going down with me. It was Rip that suggested it or mentioned it. Rip brought it up. Just, sorry, bus thrown. Have fun. Nice one. You go. No. What? Jules, I feel like maybe something didn't send. Sorry. I got, yeah, we have great hours to work with, and then the next message was, sorry, that was New York time. I feel like I missed a message somewhere in between that. Majority of the orders are to the downside. Ooh, that's interesting. So is it just, again, if it breaks this liquidity line, it could drop properly. I wonder if it's going to tap this high and then go back down. So I'm kind of hands off because, again, this price action sucks and it's not worth potentially getting into a stupid trade over this, but let's see what happens. It's grabbing as much liquidity as possible and it's about to make a move. Jordan, right? Sorry, Jules. I don't know what happened. You can check, it was me. Thanks. All the big sells that we should see some bearish volume. Rip. Now I'm 16% in profit. Ooh, monster mark. Whoop whoop. Nice. No. Leave a runner. Got 1k before. Thomas, I think leaving a runner, like I said, just one runner. What's it gonna hurt? Why not? It will hurt more if it continues to just deny shorts, right? I didn't know about candle. I know like buy and sell stock, and I didn't know about futures contracts, like other things properly. That's why I wonder who is legit to take course. Oh, interesting. Like I said, Faisal, that might be something I will have a look at doing. Obviously, there's nothing right now. Sorry. I have like 2 videos up. But with regards to who's legit, that would have to be for everyone else to answer. Does ICT have like beginner friendly things? Who has like beginner friendly things? Asking for Faisal. I'm hoping I'm saying your name correctly. Okay. Rip, everyone is shorting this. It looks like it. Aviv, what? What's happening? Jordy, I think so. I'm so sorry. Ducky Trades is better for it. Really? There we go. Is he? I tried to have a look. He breaks down ICT into simplified. I've watched some of T-Trade. So when I was learning, I watched some of T-Trade's videos. Shout out to him, by the way. It made sense, but it didn't. I don't know, maybe I just didn't enjoy the strategy. It just didn't work for me. Maybe it was a tad bit meh. I don't know. I did have a look at T-Trades though, so you know, if that's an option. Different strokes for different folks. Some people are obviously going to love the videos and some people just not going to like them, and that is what it is. Learn from the one who made the concept. I look like European girls. I don't know what that means, but thanks. I don't know. Oh, Arpan, oh, everyone's gonna be very annoyed with you for asking that question. I analyze until to learn. Highest quality trade between Damn, okay, but you stay on until like 11 p.m. at night? That's interesting, Jules. Maybe I need to up my hours. So, Jules, yeah, I normally hop off at around 11:30, 11:15. EST time. Huh. Well, there she goes. Hey, is that a rip level? There's a little rip level being taken. T-Trades. Oh goodness. This is a very controversial conversation right now. Creator makes hour-long videos and half is relevant to the bit. Big buy order just hit the tape level 2, so I'm not touching cells if she breaks. 6-6. Up your hour. Up my hour? Ghetto Greg, am I up for the day? I've had a bit of a no trade day, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm nothing for the day. No losses, no wins. I guess it's not a bad thing, but it is what it... Rip! Did it take you out? It did take you out, didn't it? Took you out before hitting your level. That feels rude. How did you learn and how long you're trading and who do you follow and what do you think about this? Predatory trading, Greek, Alex, can I buy a course? Ooh, damn, Faisal. Lots and lots of questions. Don't worry, more than welcome to ask questions here. If you want to, Faisal, you're also more than welcome to join the Discord. That's not the Discord. Give me 2 seconds. Let me get the Discord link for you. Faisal, you're more than welcome to join the Discord. You can ask even more questions there. And there are some training things, and again, it's an amazing community. Amazing community. So I feel like you can feel free to join and ask questions there. The people there are so amazing, and again, just the best community ever. They just really want to help, and I think that's what's important. Took this trade is Asia high. Oh, what? Only 2 trader? Are you serious? That's a freaking awesome goal. Okay, wait. Everyone calm down. We have movement. Is it a valid trade though? Is it an A+ setup at all? Got one. I've got one. I've only got one. So no, not really valid. Maybe it is, maybe I'm gonna regret this, but it's not an A+ setup for me. So not a good idea to take it. It had two setups, it's like a B setup. Which isn't an A+ setup, so it is what it is. That was from me today. I'm still in the long from the inverted fair value gap to partial along the way. I'll post this in Discord. Hey, thank you! Oh, Thomas, yeah, I used ChatGPT, I'm not gonna lie. Took a screenshot and I was like, hey, ChatGPT, make this animation. And it did it. How awesome. So needless to say, I got a little bit obsessed with that. I have way too many photos of me in animation style now. On Discord, I posted like 2. There's another cool one. I just thought you guys are gonna be so fed up with me posting animation style photos. They made super badass. They gave him blue eyes for some reason, but anyways. Not the cleanest day indeed, but hey, who's a lucky duck? You're a lucky duck, Rip. Oh, thank heavens. Can you imagine? Oh, I would have been upset. Oh, I would have been upset. Even that wouldn't have worked. No, this one. Imagine waiting all that time to take a city trade. Indeed. Whoop whoop for Rip. Sorry, I'm just salty. But whoop whoop. Honestly, as long as you can. I guess that's true, Jules. So you're like just done for the day. Blue line bay and switch to styling contrasts are lagging. Ooh, get a Greg, that's not good. This looks like a shorty short for me. Yeah, it's breaking the line. No? Yes. Maybe? I thought we could have done by order. I'm selling now low risk. Raj, you think there's low risk? Pretty much now it's live testing sequencing tools. I mean, Jules, that makes sense. And you stay on until 11 PM? Time to get a stream deck with different AM high animations. AM high whoop whoop. Like I said, it was pretty. I can show you this one. It made me look amazing. Maybe I need to become just an anime person, and that's just how I live. Just put an animation filter on, and that's just me. Where is it? Oh. Like I said, for some reason it gave my dog blue eyes. But how cool? I think it's awesome. We're gonna watch this update 9:30 every time. Okay. Rip, with the 10 AM, do I mark the open, the close, the range? What's the deal with the 10 AM? Is it the open or the close? I'm assuming it's the close, but I don't want to assume. Wait, how's the weather in KZN today? I don't think miserable starts to describe it. It sucks, and it's like that hot, humid heat where you feel sticky and gross. And it doesn't help that I went for a run in it either, so now I feel extra gross, but it is what it is. Elvar, how's it going? Can help others in the spirit community. Ah, there we go. Jules, I'm gonna have to hop on that after this. Elvar, no, I was thinking fake up, but there's a decent amount of volume. Ah, cheers, Rip, enjoy. Wait, Rip, you didn't answer my questions. Can't leave before answering my questions. Upside, open and close. I'll explain it to you. It's not about the open or close, it's about the high and low formed in that 15-minute. Okay. Are you gonna show me on Discord? So this would have been the range, but I probably wouldn't have used this range. So would have had a loss. I'm glad I didn't do that. It has not broken this. I'm gonna stick with calling it a liquidity line. It has not properly broken this liquidity line. Moving on. Good sign that we might be in this chop for the session. Why, Project Freedom? Yeah, wait, it's driving me crazy. It's actually driving me a little bit mental, but it's fine. You're talking about 15-minute all? Note high. It kind of sounds like 15-minute orb. Okay, and the high was taken. So that then I just want to say clue, but that sounds terrible. It kind of does sound like a bit like the 15-minute orb. The day started nice, but it looks like rain is incoming. Ooh, I think rain is coming this side as well. It's why it's been so freaking humid. Apparently Friday is supposed to be 33 degrees. Real feel 36 degrees here. So that's gonna be fun. I think he's referring to the power hour to name. Oh, maybe. Why so many boxes on the chart? Hey, Shakes. So many different things. I got my Bob levels. Those never go away. I got the 9:30 a.m. range. And this is the first presented fair value gap. That's it. Yes, that's it. Those are the 3 boxes that I got. I guess it's not that many, hey? Because we're boxing. Okay. We play Minecraft. RIP? Seriously. Am I AI? I'm not. Hacks Pro, what's up? I'm not AI. I don't know how to prove that though. Yeah, she is AI. Hi, what? My thumbnail's AI, but I'm not AI. Do a backflip if you're not. That sounds dangerous. I can't do that. I can do a flip, but you won't like it. That was very sassy. I'm so sorry. I will calm it down. I will calm it out. That was unnecessarily sassy. Okay, moving on. The tutor, how much money do I make daily? None yet. Yeah, I'm here to be very open and honest about this whole experience. I'm not profitable yet. I started trading in April. Yeah, it's a whole journey. It's a whole journey. Ticket removed, glasses. Say hello to audience. Thanks. Hello, audience. No, I'm joking. That would be brilliant. Do the roar. Rip. Shush. Just shush. Hey, Mohammed, what's up? Dylan, hi. Every streamers are robot and not real. Okie dokie then. Ivan, what's my biggest win so far? I think it was a day where I had 3 wins only. I think I was up like 1.6k on that day. I could be lying. Yeah, let's say around, yeah, I think around 1.6k on that day. That was pretty awesome. It never feels worth it in real time. And then she goes. Dylan, I sent what? Oh! Yeah, Dylan, yes, that's... Yes. Oh! Jack's be nice to Rip. Rip is here helping me and teaching me. Dylan, how long have I been trading? I've been trading since April. But yes, a little birdie was going to... Never mind. Gives that Gemini 3 a shot really good with pick. Gemini 3, what's that, Dottie? But do I trade Pokemon cards? I have Pokemon cards. If anyone wants to trade some Pokemon cards. I don't think I have anything of value though, but I do got Pokemon cards. Do I use AI to trade any kind? No, sorry. No AI used for that. Shax, I think Rip actually left now. I don't know. But in all honesty, right now, there's not much happening. And it's just a very slow, brutal grind to the upside. Which does indeed kind of suck. Okay, well, let's see. Like I said, I might call it early, but who knows? It's an AI like you, Gemini 3. I'm gonna give it a try now. Thanks. I'm not shush. Shax with my trading. Yeah, scalping. Is it actually good profit in trading? I'm gonna call you Tiffy if that's okay. The actual good profit in trading? I think eventually, yes. They really, really can be. But if you think it's quick and easy, no. I think it takes lots and lots of time, dedication, and money, but then at the end of the day, they really can be really good profit. Dylan, no. What you see on here is what I use. Rip, is that the last level? Yes, it is. I already deleted the one that was taken, but this is the last level that was taken. It's also those highs here, yep. Oh, it's near those highs. But this is that level. That's 6-2 level. Oh no, 694, I lie. Hands down. So aggressive. Got a full-time job or you rely on me? That's the glasses. Jordy, you're full of funnies today, hey? Am I in the trade? Go have fun. I'm not in the trade. I'm in nothing right now. Oh well. I mean, it's going, just so agonizingly slowly. Hey, we're back at my entry for earlier. There we go, Thomas. And I'm actually not. Dylan, if that was the case, that would be amazing. Maybe I need to try and make some awesome glasses like that. I feel like that's cheating though. Not really. Why don't we do a PM stage? What, today? Oh, cheers, Rip. Yes, it was. There's another Rip level. Gone. Those glasses are not real. Are AI generated. I mean, me not being able to see without them is pretty damn real. I mean, I can see. It's just blurry. And if I start reading, I'm gonna have to start doing this. And then I look grumpy, and we don't need that. I mean, I am grumpy that I missed my perfect trade, but we don't need me to be grumpy. First Asia stream? Thomas, is there any point in trading Asia? That sounds bad. You know, the volatility is not great often. I say that sometimes it looks amazing. I don't know if my setup or my strategy would actually work that well with Asia. I haven't checked it out. Looking like Asia high. Only true trader, honestly. You are nailing it on the head recently. Right, but I mean, Thomas, I'm assuming you do Asia as well? Must know we ease her into it. Next thing we know, she's doing a 24-hour stream. Asia 50-50 consolidate, all good moves. That's valid. I mean, it's a little bit like London sometimes. Sometimes London is amazing, and other times it's just not okay. Maybe a bad idea, maybe a great idea. I haven't decided. It's taken out. This technically was my point of interest up there. There's London high. I took out New York. Oh my gosh, it could be going to the Bob level. Is this headed towards Bob level? Gotta love our Bob levels. Pass there, pass there, pass there. It retraces now. Could continue. Okay. Ah, maybe not that far down. Wondering if you give a little advice on day trading. What's the minimum amount of money you need to really have to make worth your while for most people? That kind of depends. Everyone, a little advice on day trading. What's the minimum? Let's try that again. Minimum amount of money you need to really have to make it worth your while for most people. 24-hour stream would go crazy. We'd all have to share the stream and bring crazy hype. Thomas, honestly. Would I even make it? I would be living off of caffeine. Part of me wants to do it now. Let's do a poll. Keep stacking those wins. Wait, it didn't have a win? Hey, Dylan, whoop whoop. Win is a win. Just saying. Jordan up 5k, done for the day. Whoop whoop, Jordan, damn. That's amazing. So guys, is this the bad idea, good idea, terrible idea? Probably not the best idea I've had. Make it... Because I'm not that confident in it, make it 2, which is teeny tiny. Literally itty bitty. Oh well, moving on. Let's see, maybe... Cheeky, I should not be taking a trade right now. We already have a Jordan. I'm so sorry. You can make 200, 300 every day with 3k. Fishing? You already know how to trade 200. If you don't, then maybe 1,000. Also, after blowing a bunch of accounts and donating. Yep. Okay. I mean, like, if my mom... Wow, catch and cruise, that was very interesting. That was interesting. Oh, wait, I wanted to do a poll. Yeah, Anthony. Potentially looking at a buy. Let's see, poll. Curiosity is getting the best of me. Damn. It's interested when you're throwing 10 to 15k at stocks. Okay, sorry, I'm being very boring. Let's watch. 1, 2. I do have quite a few. Again, it's why I've only put 2 where there should be like 5 contracts. I've only placed 2 because this could be amazing or this could be terrible. It looks like sitting on hands kind of day. Other than that, how Southpaw, it is. I have actually been sitting on my hands until now. I missed the perfect trade, but I missed it for a valid reason of there was news at 10 and had to wait for news, even though news did nothing. I was expecting some really good stuff and news did nothing, but it's fine. "24 hours would be one for the history books." Nobody does that. I'm not on the charts anymore. Looking at yours, some liquidity is resting right above your entry. Hopefully you get tagged. Yep. Also, hopefully not a higher time frame liquidity sweep. Otherwise, might grab lower. I did look at the higher time frames. It did take some liquidity, so it is possible that it goes a little bit lower. There is a possibility. Again, it's why I've literally only placed 2 contracts. Maybe that's the wrong way of looking at things, but I like the idea of it's going to go to London High, Bob level, and Asia High. NWOG is also up here, and it is Tuesday. Ropes left. But it tends to be drawn to the opening, or, you know, the weekly opening gap on Tuesdays. I have learned some things from RIP. So there's a lot going for it. if it tags in. However, that being said, there's also a lot going against it. So it's a bit of a risque one. Probably because it doesn't help trading, but still, it'll be more like hanging out, take a few trades, hang out some more. A Joel, as it were. I mean, there we go. Someone, was it Laura? Laura mentioned a, whatchamacallit? Laura mentioned a trading, like a Christmas party for traders. And I was like, that sounds amazing. How would we do that? It could be lots of fun. Christmas party for traders. But again, how would you get that done? I guess you could have like a Discord thing, but that would just be chaotic with a bunch of people there on Discord. What are people's general experience from day trading versus the amount of money they put in? I think maybe you're asking the wrong questions. It's how long does it take to become profitable? Oh, ooh, Geordie, I love it. Yes. Hey Nico, what's up? If you do a 24-hour stream, you need to do it just before the weekend because you'll be brain dead for a couple of days. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, the same thing. I was like, if I do that, I will indeed need a big breather afterwards, because 24 hours is no joke. You'd also have to plan when to like start and when to stop. And won't necessarily be 24 hours unless you start at Asia Open and you go until New York close. So it's not quite 24 hours, but it's close. I mean, maybe that is an option. You start at Asia Open and go until New York close. So just short of 24 hours. Cover today. Wait, who's Nico Trades? Geordie? Geordie, who's Nico Trades? Oh, it's Boom. Never mind, it took me a minute, I forgot. Hey, oh, Boom, how's it going? Hey, Chris, how's it going? Welcome. There's two of you, I knew it. I don't even know that guy. Boom, how was the day? Whoop whoop. Did you manage to get in on long? Oh, damn, this 24-hour thing seems like a go. I'm gonna have to plan a day. Yeah, so it'd have to be then I guess like a full Friday for me. Wake up early in the morning. What time is Asia? Let me just ask Shorty. What time does Asia open South Africa time? You'll be happy. Wow, Jordy, why are you lying? At open you did. Oh, nice, Boom. So, whoop whoop. Yes? Play along with one people, sorry. Cheers of prayers. Who's my mentor? You guys. Yeah, you guys do be my mentors. Yeah. Oh, it didn't come get me. Poop. This range? Ah, that was the range. Damn it. I went too big because it took out some key liquidity level on the higher time frame. I guess rather too big than too little, but still. 3 AM for us, I believe. Okay. It is an option. Diego, what's up? You trade prop firm futures, same as is. Oh, wait. Thomas, I'm sorry. I thought it was someone new. My bad. Carry on. Ignore me. Ask, will we all do 24-hour? I don't think you guys will. Who will do 24 hours with me? Maybe start at Globex open on Thursday. What, you thinking this weekend? Do it this weekend? Okay, didn't come far enough down to get me, but I had the correct idea. And I did place a trade. Makes me feel a little bit better, even though it didn't come and get me. But still. Only true trader, how does it feel to be watching it head towards where you want it to go? How's Jordy moderating? He's just being full of rubbish, Chris. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be playing along. Why would anyone want to do— Oh! Wow, I see Boom Banana woke up on the sassy side of the bed today. What the heck, man? Boom, super sassy today. Wow. Just— wow. Can I take breaks? If I don't get breaks, you don't get breaks, Jordy. This is not a negotiation. Sorry, I'm joking. If I'm available, I'll attempt it since I don't sleep anyways. Well, maybe it's something I'm gonna have to plan. I'm gonna have to plan that. I'm gonna have to plan it. It sounds like it could be a fun idea, though. Yeah, me too, Thomas, but it's okay. It is what it is. At least I know I had the correct idea. It just didn't come far enough down. Hey, High Life, what's up? You just got home. We're busy discussing a 24-hour stream. Could be fun, could be a nightmare, could be both. It's when I start to go crazy that, you know, the real fun will come out. This is a bull, don't short. No, don't worry, Jordan. Not planning on shorting. Potentially my entry for there. Again, do I do two itty bitty contracts? This feels very tiny though. At least the other one had 3 confluences. This, I guess, has 1, 2. And looks like it wouldn't have tagged me in. Is this just the way the market's saying don't be dumb, stop trying to let FOMO win, and stop trying to chase the price? Probably. Probably valid. Crazy fun. Go have fun. I mean, always. Especially if I'm going to be living off of some, juice. Yeah, Monster. You know, I'll be living off of Monster, let's just be real. We need to come up with cool stuff to do as well. I mean, besides trade talk. Yeah, see, Jordy, I think we're gonna have to discuss this on Discord, people. I think this could be a cool idea. I'm just gonna have to find the right day to do it. I mean, it doesn't even have to be this year. We could even do it beginning of next year. You know, there's nothing saying we have to do it now, ASAP. But it's a cool idea. I think it's an awesome idea. Will that 24-hour stream be for 8K? Now that's a thought. How about that? Huh, okay. That's a cool thought. What do you guys think? When I hit 8K subs, we then pick a day. Like you said, possibly I start, I guess that's very early Friday morning, and I end Friday night, because that's in 24 hours. Okay, so there would have been entry. Let's see what this does. AK is gonna happen like 5 days. I don't think so, Geordie. Okay, well, it looks like the yeses win. 75% on both for the poll. Oh, no, sorry, 77%. But I do agree, we can't just... I mean, we could sit and talk rubbish for 24 hours. Nothing's stopping me from doing that. Hey, Celestial, what's up? Celestial today was bleh. Just bleh. Hi from the UK, what up from South Africa? How are you doing? I do like that idea though. Which reminds me, okay, again, when I hop off of this, I need to do 2 things. If I forget to do this, someone remind me on Discord, please. I need to... I was looking at things. Maybe I must try that Gemini 3 AI as well. I asked ChatGPT for some cool tattoo ideas. I kind of came up with something. Let's see, I'll send it on Discord and we can all discuss. And then maybe I can book it during December. And then I can go get my trading tattoo. Only 2 trader. Am I actually going to do a 24-hour stream? I mean, it won't be exactly 24 hours, only 2 trader. It would be from Asia Open, which is like 3 AM South Africa time, if I'm not mistaken, until New York close. What time is New York close? 11 p. No? What time is New York close? Like 12 PM. No, it wasn't 12 PM. Was it 12 PM? No, it was 11 PM. 11 PM. The more I think about it, the more I don't like the idea of 24-hour stream. You made Rip mad when you weren't tired. What's gonna happen when you're exhausted? Maya's forced to learn everyone's strategy. It's brain overload. I'm just kidding. Something more fun. What's the tat? Celestial. I'm gonna pop it on Discord. Only to trader. Yeah, there's no guarantees that I'm going to be placing trades in that. Especially if I'm there like half dead. Unless the deal is for all the trades that I placed that day, I only put 1 contract. Because I might not be in my right mind. It could be fun though. Could be a disaster. Could be a complete waste of time. Or it could be fun. Is this bear flagging? I mean, bull flagging right now? It kind of is, isn't it? Again, I could have gotten into this trade. Maybe I should have. It feels late and we're just consolidating and we're not doing much with life right now. Oh, cheers, Celestial. Okay. This range is just itty bitty. Where's Nox been? I just actually remember now. I haven't spoken to Nox in a while. Do you guys think Nox is good? Boiling a little bit now. This could shoot back up soon. In which case, nope, just Southpaw, like you said, this is sit on hands type of price action. Even if it would have been a win, it's not worth it because you're not sticking to your rules and it's all about discipline, and I'm just talking myself out of doing something dumb in all honesty right now. I think he's just been busy. Okay, that makes sense. We shall talk about Nox and he will appear. Honestly, hey, Joy of Travel, what's up? How you doing? Jordy, that does make sense. December's just a crazy time, full stop. It always feels like a crazy time. It's actually my worst month. I hate December. It just feels like madness. Anthony, a buy? I know, I was looking at buys. Part of me wanted to take the buy, but I'm hating this price action. And it's basically lunchtime, New York lunchtime. It's dinner time for me. Aw, do I have trouble? I'm sorry, don't worry, neither did I. I had one perfect setup. Perfect. Perfect setup. But there was news at 10, and I didn't know what news was gonna do. And I said I would wait until after news to trade, and literally nothing else decent has appeared since then, so that kind of sucks. And this morning, what happened this morning? This morning was also just rangy. Yes? Oh no, I used the wrong range this morning. I could have had 2 winners if I used the smaller range, but I used the bigger range. Okay, I'm gonna try lower a short on— what? Well, Jordy, now I have to stay for that. What's giving you the indication for a short, Jordy? I'm kind of curious to see how this works out for you. It's still bull flagging. About to go up. Yeah, joy of travel, that's exactly right. I was green yesterday as well, so meh. We just carry on, and it's FOMC tomorrow, right? Which means tomorrow might be crazy. Hopefully. Or else maybe this is just what December's like and we just give up with life. No, that's bad, I'm joking. I feel like this is gonna TP. Thomas, just because I didn't take it? Probably. That's how it always works. I mean, I could still enter. Ah, okay, Jody, that's fine then. Hey, Stego for life. Welcome back. How you doing? I mean, it is pushing down on ES. Here we go. Yep, this price action just sucks. No. $6,851. Damn, 6851, Jordy. I didn't think it was already true trader. Sorry, that was amazing. It is Tuesday. It feels like it's— I don't even know. Keep thinking it's Wednesday. It's Tuesday. Only true trader, you good? I saw that. I saw that message. So, I don't think it was Wednesday. To be fair. Well, I just said it. It does feel like today is Wednesday. It's been feeling like today is Wednesday, which is obviously sucky to be like, nope, it's Tuesday. Literally earlier today I was even like, oh, maybe I need to go get a wacky Wednesday because I'm not in the mood, you know, for cooking. And then I was like, nope, it's Tuesday. It's not wacky Wednesday time. I'm waiting. Okay, let's see if this would have been a hit or a miss. Though it looks like I might have to sit here a while to wait for that. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. I cook sometimes, boom. Not often, but I do cook. Finally breaking out. What did I say about potentially taking one contract? Hey, Goen, what's up? Mirror, what's up? Hey, monster! and slowly back down. Cooking ramen doesn't... I do not cook ramen. Or 2-minute noodles. Well, I can. I do. I have. But I cook something called Easy Easy Chicken. Well, that's pretty good. And it's easy to make, so... Whoa, what the... So that definitely would have been a loss. What just happened? What? Okay. Okay. NQ. What is that? Teach me chicken. You guys want to know how to make easy, easy chicken? I mean, if you really want to know, I can share it with you on Discord. It's just super, super easy to make, and it's really yummy, so I do it. I make it. What the heck, man? Wow, the audacity of that. That would have hurt my soul a little bit. OT, honestly. Middle of bar. Oh, keep fishing? Is it in the middle of the bar? Okay. I'm calling it. I can't do anything with this. Today kind of sucked price action wise. Hopefully tomorrow, because of FOMC, we start to shake things up. That'll be awesome. Jordy, please post on Discord how your trade goes. I'm hoping it's a whoop whoop. Let's see. I'm gonna call it there for today. Arvind, this is not a teaching you place, but anyways. What did I do? Jordy, what did I do? Okay. I'm calling it. I love you guys. I'm seriously gonna think about this 24-hour stream. It could be fun, could be agonizing. But trading to cooking, always, kids fishing, it always ends up like that. But moving on. It could, like I said, it could be lots of fun. Jordy, like I said, I think maybe me and you must chat. Maybe there's some ways to keep it fun, keep it going. Maybe just me acting absolutely insane because I'm so tired would be the way to do it. Who knows? Observing. Aw. Thanks, Jordy. Bye, dude. Okay, I love you guys madly. Again, please don't forget to like the stream. Let's grow this amazing community. Again, you guys are amazing. Mad love for all of you. Thank you for all the support. Always. I would be nothing without this amazing community. Literally. So, huge shout out to all of you for watching and being so supportive. If you want to show a little bit extra love, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya with any of the prop firms in the description below. Chicken and what rice? Just normal rice? Rice is... Anyways. Yes, if you want to use my code, TeachMaya, the support would be amazing. But yes, I love you guys madly. I'll be back tomorrow, London and New York open. Join me for either one, wherever you are. Have an amazing morning, evening, middle of the day. I love you guys madly. Bye!